Well, this is an ambush. This is a complete ambush. But Chama is my friend. I know you're not asking me a question that will create problem for me. Ordinarily, I don't want to say anything about this for now, because one fact is very clear. Mr. President, since inception of this administration, has been trying so hard to change the trajectory of whatever in this country in a way that you will have prosperity in our nation. We all know the problems that he inherited, and we've been working with him day and night because he's our father. He's the father of the nation. We are very close in terms of he's someone that is open-minded. We work with him very well. We understand what he's doing. And I feel that at this time, there's no point we start talking about all these issues. What he's doing is a work in progress. I believe that the best thing to do, this is a midterm. We are now 2 years, and we have another 2 years to go. I believe that what we need to do is to continue to cooperate with Mr. President, continue to support him, and not only the legislature, the entire people of this country should support Mr. President. He has the intention, the political will to turn this country to a land of prosperity. We know he doesn't sleep. He thinks about this country always. And we feel what we need to do for him and for this country is to support him. So bringing issues such as this period is quite premature. And that's why I told those groups, I don't know them. Frankly speaking, I don't know them. And I thank them for believing in me. I thank them so much. But I told them, look, instead of wasting our energy on things that are not relevant now, that we support the president, when the time comes, we'll play politics. But this time is the time of governance. This is the issue. When you ask the last question, you see, Mr. President is my political father. If I start telling you what he did to me, you'll be surprised. He did so many things to me. So whatever he asks me to do, when the time comes, I'm a loyal person to him, I will do it. Whatever he tells me to do, I'll do it. Whatever the president, let me tell you, I'm very loyal to him. You see, Mr. President is a very kind-hearted person. When we had our problem in Kano, he was the one who resolved that issues for us. I made it possible for me to be given the ticket to come to the Senate. He stood by me to become the Deputy Senate President. So if today, if the time comes, and he said, I want you to work with me, well, I'll say, thank you, sir. I'll say, thank you, sir. So whatever he asks me to do, I'll do. I'm loyal to him, 100%. Mr. President is our father, the father of the nation. So no mistake. Don't make mistake about it. So but for now, we start by him. We are working with him. We want him to succeed. When he succeeds, we all succeed. Our fates are tied together because we come from the same family. Even before then, I come from the progressive fold, where he comes from. We are all progressives. Ask about my political history. I'm a progressive to core. So, and we cherish loyalty. I'm loyal to Mr. President 100%. Whatever he tells me to do in 2027, I'll do it. Whatever he tells me to do, I'll do it.
Your Excellency, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.